Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So just will do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter reaches the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 112.2 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.